Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to solve this problem, which is to simplify the square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. And this is an objective question, and the options are option A, sin theta, option B, sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, option C, 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta, and option D, 1 minus sin theta. You can pause the video and give it a try. Now, whenever you have questions like this, where you have fractions, what should come to your mind is to rationalize. Okay, so how do we rationalize? We take the conjugate of the denominator, and then we multiply the denominator and the numerator by this conjugate. So what is the conjugate of 1 minus cos theta? The conjugate is 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so we multiply the denominator by 1 plus cos theta. We multiply the numerator as well by 1 plus cos theta. And it's still under the square root sign. Okay, so this becomes the square root of 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so taking a look at this, the denominator reminds me of something. Difference of two squares. I know that a squared minus b squared gives me a plus b, a minus b. Alright, so applying the difference of two squares to the denominator, what I'm going to have is the square root of 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 squared, right, minus cos squared theta. Okay, so I can rewrite my numerator as the square root of 1 plus cos theta all squared, right, multiplying this and this, okay, divided by 1 minus cos squared theta. Okay, so now I can write this in such a form that my numerator takes square root, right, 1 plus cos theta all squared, and my denominator also takes the square root 1 minus cos squared theta. Okay, so what is the square root of 1 plus cos theta all squared? Square root cancels square. Alright, so I'll come here and I'm going to have 1 plus cos theta, right? Square root cancels square since they are opposites, divided by, what is 1 minus cos squared theta? Now is the time to remember that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. So if I make sin squared theta the subject, sin squared theta equals 1 minus cos squared theta. So I can replace 1 minus cos squared theta with sin squared theta. So I'm going to have the square root of sin squared theta. Okay, sin squared theta, what does sin squared theta mean? Sin squared theta simply means sin theta all squared. Okay, so this square root cancels out the square, since sin squared theta is the same as sin theta all squared. So this equals to 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta, which is our option C. But we can still solve this further, right? This is equal to 1 over sin theta plus cos theta over sin theta. 1 over sin is cosine, so cosec theta plus, this is cos over sin, which is the inverse of tan, right? Sin theta over cos theta gives us tan theta, and the inverse gives us cot, right? Cot theta, and this is the final answer. So either this or this, option C. So we are correct. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,